Hello friends, today we are going to learn third chapter of math first, that is polynomials. Now here first we see what is polynomial. Polynomial. Now an algebraic expressions, suppose 2x square plus 3x minus 5. This is an algebraic expression. 1 upon 2y cube plus 3y minus 2 minus 6. These are the algebraic expressions. Now here power of variables, that is 2, here is 1, here minus 5 is a constant function, its power is 1. That is minus 5 can be written as minus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 5 into 1 is x to the power 0. Therefore its power of the variables, that is 2, 1, 0. Here power of the variables is 3, 1 and 0. And what is the power of minus 6? Here also minus 6 can be written in this type, then power of variable minus 6 is 0. Now from this we'll see that power of variables, if the power in an algebraic expressions, these are the examples of algebraic expressions. In an algebraic expressions, the power of variables is a positive integer or 0, then it is called a polynomial. Therefore these three are polynomial. But in this equation y plus 1 upon y, this is not a polynomial, because here y plus y to the power y 1 upon y can be written as y to the power minus 1. Here this is negative, therefore this is not a positive real number, or this is not a whole number, therefore this is not a polynomial. Also square root x plus 3, this is also not a polynomial. These are not a polynomial, because here power of this x is written as 1 upon 2. This is not a positive integer, therefore this is not a polynomial. Write down definition of polynomial. In an algebraic expressions, in an algebraic expressions, if the power of variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expressions is called as polynomials. Now here for example, now here first example 2x square plus 3x minus 5, second and third. Now here in this example, in this first, powers of variables are 2, 3, minus 5. Here powers of variables are 3, 1, this is a constant function, therefore power of variable is 0. here 3 1 0 and here 0, means power of variable is a positive integer or 0, then this type of algebraic expression is known as a polynomials. Therefore these three are polynomials. But y plus 1 upon y is not a polynomial. Since y plus 1 upon y is equal to y plus y to the power minus 1. That is, power of variable is negative, therefore this is not a polynomial. Now next point, types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. Write down in bracket. Based on number of terms. Based on number of terms. We have to find types of polynomials based on number of terms. Now here we see some examples. This is 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. There are two terms. This is 3x first term, this is second minus 2. Or we take only one example, that is 3x. Now in this example, only one term in the polynomial. Only one term in the polynomial, therefore this is called a monomial. This is called monomial. Now here second, 5x square minus 3. This is second example. Now in this polynomial there are two terms. This is first, this is second. Therefore here write down only two terms or two terms in the polynomial. Therefore it is called a quadratic polynomial. Third, 3x cube minus 3x plus 5. Now in this polynomial there are three terms, first, second, third. Three terms in the polynomial. Therefore this is called cubic polynomial. That is, if a polynomial contains only one term, it is called monomial. If a polynomial contains two terms, this is called quadratic polynomial. And if a polynomial contains three terms, it is called a cubic polynomial. Now polynomials are written as P of x, Q of y, R of m, etc. Depends on the variable used. depends upon the variable use. Variable use. For example, if a polynomial contains variable y, then we can write this as p of y is equal to y to the power 5 minus 3y plus 7. This is a polynomial in the variable of y, that is p of y. Now next point, degree of polynomials in one variable. Degree of polynomials in one variable. Degree of polynomials in one variable. If a polynomials degree of polynomials in one variable, the degree of polynomial in one variable is the highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable. Now degree of polynomial in one variable, if we have given, for example, p of y is equal to 2x cube minus 3x plus 8. 2x cube minus 3x plus 8, this is a given polynomial. Now this polynomial contains only one variable, that is the degree polynomial in one variable. Therefore its highest power of variable is 3. Therefore degree of polynomial is 3. That is, highest index is 3. Therefore degree of this polynomial is 3. Now degree of constant polynomial is 0. Any constant polynomial, that is degree of 2 is 0, degree of minus 5 is 0, that is degree of constant polynomial is 0, and degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Now this is if given polynomial is of one variable. Now next point, degree of polynomial in more than two variables. Degree of polynomial in more than one variable. Degree of polynomial in more than one variable. the highest sum of the powers, the highest sum of the powers the highest sum of the powers of variables in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial Now, degree of polynomial in more than one variable. Now, for example, suppose m cube n to the power 5 minus 2m square n to the power 7 plus 2mn. Now this is a polynomial. This polynomial contains two variables m and n, that is more than one variable. Now here in this polynomial, the sum of the powers, here write down, degree of this polynomial is. Now here sum of the power, that is 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 7 9, 1 plus 1 2, that is highest sum is 2 plus 7 9 9. Since, write down in bracket, since sum of the powers 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is, highest sum is 9, therefore its degree is 9. Here degree of polynomials, if given polynomial is of one variable, then highest power of variable is its degree. Now if given polynomial is more than one variable, then highest sum of the variables is its degree. Now next point, types of polynomials. Based on degree. Types of polynomials based on degree. Now here first example, 3y Now types of polynomial based on degree 3y. What is degree of this polynomial? Degree is 1. Therefore, if degree of polynomial is 1, this is called a linear polynomial. And its standard form is ax plus b. This is called linear polynomial. Here value of ax, a is 3, here variable is y, and value of b is 0. Ax plus b, where a, b are where a, b are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. A, b are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Now this is the degree of, if degree is 1, this is called a linear polynomial. Standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Now second, 2x square minus 3x, 2x square minus 3x. Now here degree of this polynomial is 2, highest power, that is degree 2. Degree is 2. Therefore, if degree is 2, then this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And quadratic polynomial, its standard form is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are coefficients and a is not equal to, a, b, c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. That is, if a is 0, then this becomes a linear polynomial. And third, x cube minus 5x square minus 3. Now this contains, the highest power of index is 3, therefore its degree is 3. Degree is 3, therefore a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Standard form. Its standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Now these are the types of polynomials based on degree. That is, if degree of polynomial is 1, then this is a linear polynomial. Degree of polynomial is 2, this is quadratic polynomial. Degree of polynomial is 3, this is cubic polynomial. Now next point, standard form, coefficient form and index form of polynomial. Standard form, coefficient form, and index form of a polynomial. Now for example, now we will take one example, that is 3y cube plus 3y minus 7. 3y cube plus 3y minus 7, or write down this as 3y to the power 5 minus 7. 3y cube plus 3y to the power 5 minus 7. We have to write down this in standard form. Now first, in standard form. In standard form. Here highest power of index is 5, therefore this polynomial contains 6 terms, or write down this in descending order of variables, that is 3y to the power 5 take first, second 3y cube minus 7. This is in standard form, that is descending power of variables 5, 3, 0. Number 2, coefficient form, or number 2, index form. In index form. In index form. Now here highest power is 5, therefore this polynomial contains, in index form it contains 6 terms, that is 3y to the power 5. Here y to the power 4, this doesn't contain y to the power 4, therefore this can be written as 2y to the power 0 y to the power 4 plus 3y cube plus 0y square plus 0y minus constant term 7. That is, number of terms are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here highest power of index, that is degree, is 5, therefore it contains 6 terms. 5 plus 1, that is 6 terms. And number 3, coefficient form. In coefficient form, this can be written in coefficient form by using this index form, that is 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, minus 7. 0, 0, minus 7. This is in coefficient form. Now we see examples in practice set. We'll see examples in practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. Now first example, state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials justify. Now here first, y plus 1 upon y. Y plus 1 upon y, this is an algebraic expression. We can write this as y plus 1 upon y is equal to y plus y to the power minus 1. 1 upon y is written as y to the power minus 1. Here power of variable is negative. This is not a positive number, therefore this is not a polynomial. Here power of variable is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial.